What are you doing? What are you doing? You trying to cover your bone? Where's your bone, Lex? Where's your treat? Uh-oh. Oh, I don't know. Lex, is it under here? Is it under here? Or is it? It's right there. Oh, is it right there? I have socks up here. Maybe on your bone. Eat it. You don't have to bury it. Eat it. It's okay. You don't want to hide it in there, Lex. That's all going to the Boys and Girls Club. That's all. That's all getting donated. You don't want to donate your bone, do you? Go ahead. Do your thing. Don't get mad at the bone. I just helped you cover it. Lex. Lexie, come here. Good girl. You're a good girl. Lexie, this is all gonna get donated. Your bones gonna get donated to the Boys and Girls Club. All right. Well. Oh my gosh, you're so silly.